Now imagine playing your favorite games and making money from it. In this video, I'm going to be showing you ways in which you can make money by playing your favorite games online. Right now, this is an online collection of games that comprises of different kind of games you can make money from and you can play at your own convenience. Right, the one you are good at and the one you can play easily and make money from. Now imagine making at least 1,500 naira from this very model. You can even make much more than this if you have much time to play this game. I think this is the perfect opportunity for you if you are someone that like games like me, right? So I'm going to be showing you in this video how you can get registered with this platform, how you can top up and credit your wallet, how you can stake and play these games, how you can input your bank details, and how you can withdraw your money into your bank account, right? So I'll be taking you to my screen in a short moment right now, showing you everything you need to get started. But before that, if you are seeing me for the first time, my name is Sunama Evans, and in this very channel, I share videos on how you can make money online, how you can start and scale your online business, and how you can increase your productivity online. So if you are new right here, please don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe to this channel, and turn on post notifications so that you will get notified anytime I drop awesome videos like this. Now with that said, we'll be jumping right into this video right now. So guys, making money from this platform is very easy and is very straightforward. Right now, the first thing you have to do is to get registered on this very platform, right? So this is my account already. So what I'm going to do right now is that I'm just going to log out, then I'm going to log in and show you how you can register a fresh account. So I'll click on here right now, then I'm going to click on switch account, right? And it's going to prompt me to log in an account then, right? So what you're going to do right now is to click on this very button right here that is showing register, right? So I'm going to click on it right now, and it's going to take me to a portal of where I'm going to input my details. So the first thing right here is to put in your phone number. I'm going to do that right now. Input your phone number. The next thing you are going to put in is your password, right? As before we continue with this video, right now, if you register a free account with this very platform, you are going to get 100 naira instantly once you get registered, right? And this 100 naira can be withdrawn into your bank account, and you can also use this 100 naira to play any game of your choice, and you can win a lot of money from this very platform, right? As you can see right here, register to send 100 naira right here. So I'm going to click on complete registration, and my account is going to be created in the next few minutes. As you can see, register an account and get 100 naira for free, right? So what we're going to do right now is to come to your profile. Once you come to your profile, as you can see, you already have an 100 naira welcome bonus right here on this very platform, and you can withdraw this 100 naira, and you can also use 100 naira to play games on this very platform. The next thing I'm going to be sharing with you in this platform is how you can top up your account, right? Now if you click on this wallet icon right here, there's a wallet icon right here in this middle. Click on it. You're going to see that these are different gold. Originally, you already have a welcome bonus of 100 naira, which is right here, all right, which is equivalent to 100 gold, right? Now for you to top up 1,000 gold, you have to use 1,000 naira to top up 1,000 gold, right? I'm going to click on it right now, right? So right now we're going to top up 1,000 naira into our account, which is equivalent to 1,000 gold into our account right now. Now you can easily choose a method of how you can top up your account. As you can see, make a transfer of 1,000 naira to the account below, and it's going to be reflected into your account, right? As you can see, the account is valid for one time. Please do not transfer multiple times. So what I'm going to do right now is to just go ahead and copy this account number, right? This is the account name Pega, and this is the account name Blue One. So what I'm going to do right now is to go over to my bank app and make a transfer of 1,000 naira into this account. So once I'm done with that, I'll just go back to my app and it's going to reflect right there. So guys, I just make a transfer of 1,000 naira into this account. So I'm going to go back to the app right now and refresh it. So guys, as you can see right here right now, my account has been top up and I have over 1,100 naira in my account right now. So the next thing you are going to be doing is to start playing games right now. These are different kind of games on this platform you can make money from, right? If you are a fan of words, you will definitely love this one, these words right now, right? And you can use this to make a lot of money for yourself, doing what you love and making money for yourself. And these are boss, these are Baka words, Dragon, Tiger, Aviator, right? Bingo, Wingo, like these are different kind of games, right? Numerous games, right? Fruit, Big Seven, right? God of Weight. Many of us play these games on our phone and we are not making money from it, right? But with this right now, you can start making money by just playing your favorite games, right? These are different kind of games on this very platform. Now you'll be accessing many other games. So what I'm going to do right now is to just come and just play one of these games, right? I'm going to play what, right? I'm not that good at what, but I'm just going to play one, right? These are the levels you can enter, right? Select the room you want to enter. So what I'm going to do right now is to enter the primary row. I'll click on it, and it's going to take me into the game. We are right here in this very game, and I want to start playing games right now. This is my account, and this is how you can play your games. So what I'm going to do right now, this is my world. So I'm going to play these games, and I'm going to come back to this video because I don't want to make this video a long video, right? So guys, I'm done playing the game. I'm not a fan of what, but the video is for educational purpose. I'm here to show you how it is done, and now you can make it happen for yourself, right? As you can see, if you look at this very screen right now, you will see that these are people who are making money from this platform, right? Someone make 3,100 from this very platform right now. So people are really making a lot of money from this very platform, right? You can partner with them, be an agent, and you can make an extra additional money with this very platform by being an agent with them. It's very simple. Now the next thing I'm going to be showing you right now is how you can add your bank account and how you can withdraw your money into your bank account. You come to your profile, then you click on bank. As you can see, there's a bank icon right here. Right here, you can easily add your bank details and you can easily get your money into your account. Search your bank right here, right? Put in your bank card and your full name, right? Next thing I'm going to be showing you right now is how you can withdraw your money, right? You have played games, you have made money, so I'll be showing you how you can withdraw your money. So the first thing right now is to click on the withdraw right here. There's a withdraw icon right here, and I don't know if you can see it. This withdraw icon right here, click on it, right? If you click on it, it's going to lead you to where you can withdraw your money, right? My current balance right now is 1,900, so I'm going to just input the amount I'm going to withdraw. As you can see, the withdrawal fee is 3%. So I'm going to withdraw 1,000 from my current balance. I'm going to leave 900 here. I'm going to click on, as you can see, you can withdraw 10 times daily, right? If you check it right now, you can withdraw 10 times daily on this very platform. So you have 10 times withdrawal threshold. So I'm going to click on withdraw, right? And it's going to process. As you can see, apply successfully. Right. So right now, I've already placed my withdrawal, and my current account right now is 800 Naira. Right. The amount I withdraw is going to be appearing in my bank account in the next few minutes. So guys, this is how you can go about this platform, and this is how you can make money from this very platform. If you are getting value so far from this video, please do well to smash that like button, and please do well to subscribe if you have not subscribed to this very channel. The first link in my description right now is going to lead you to where you can register on this platform and start making money from this very platform. I'm going to be dropping the link also on my comment section. You can just check my comment section right now, and you can access all the details on my comment section and also on my description. With that said, thanks for watching this video to this very end. You can as well share this opportunity to your friends and family out there who will love to participate in this opportunity, right? So thanks again for watching this video, right? I'm going to be dropping all the details and links you need to register on this platform in the description below. Click on it and get started right now. With that said, I'll see you in my next one. Bye for now. So guys, thanks for watching this video. I believe you got value from this very video. Now, if you want to get registered with this very platform and start making money right now, the first link in the description is going to be that for you. Click on it and it's going to direct you to the website. Get registered, download the app, and you can start making money right now from this very platform, right? Currently, this platform is open for recruiting channel bloggers, right? If you are a channel blogger, if you are a YouTuber, if you are a content writer, if you have a blog, right, this channel is open for you, right? If you click on the second link in my description, it's going to lead you to the details on how you can get recruited and start making extra money from this very platform, right? For my returning subscribers, thanks for being amazing. And if you are new here in this channel, please don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe to this channel, and turn all the post notifications for more amazing videos like this, right? Okay, if you check the video right here, I'm going to be discovering how I was able to make 1 million naira in 2 months with these simple skills, right? Click here right now to access that video. I'm going to be seeing you right here. Cheers, guys.